Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we were going to explore an important and practical topic in general mathematics, time conversion. So, let's get started. First, let's define time zone. Time zone is a region of the Earth that has the same standard time. So, time zones are usually offset from Coordinated Universal Time or UTC by a certain number of hours. So, dito guys, kung makikita nyo, meron tayo dito ang world map, no? So, dinivide natin yung world map into 24 main parts, no? Ang ginamit natin itong vertical lines. Nakikita nyo guys? Ibig sabihin dito, itong region na to guys is merong parehas na time zone. Okay? So itong part naman na to, itong region na to is merong same time zone. Okay? So ibig sabihin, habang nagmo-move ka from right to left, nagbabago yung time zones, no, sa kada region. So dito kung dinivide yan into 24 regions, ibig sabihin, habang nagmo-move tayo going to the left, nagma-minus tayo ng 1 hour. Okay, for example, dito sa part na to, sa pinakakanan is kung for example is 9 p.m. Ibig sabihin, dito sa may left niya ang oras is 8 p.m. Nakuha? Dito naman 7 p.m. Then 6 p.m. Dito naman sa may bandang Pilipinas, that is 5 p.m. Nakukuha nyo? So, ibig sabihin, kada isang region, nagma-minus tayo ng 1. Okay? So, ang ginagamit natin dito na palatandaan, guys, is yung UTC na tinatawag. Okay? So, define natin. The UTC, it is the global time standard from which all other time zones are calculated. No? So, ang ginagamit nating reference point dito is yung UTC plus 0. Ito yon, nasa gitna. Okay? Itong UTC plus 0 or minus 0, ito yung ating reference point dito sa may part ng Africa, sa pinakagitna. Okay? So, paano ba ginagamit itong ating UTC? So, sabi dito, a UTC offset is the difference in hours and minutes between coordinated universal time. The local time at a specific location. No? So, it is expressed as plus if the local time is ahead of UTC or minus if it is behind. No? So, kagaya ng binanggit ko kanina, ang reference point natin nasa gitna itong UTC plus 0 or negative 0. So, kung may nakita kayong plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, hanggang plus 12, ibig sabihin, ahead sila. Tama? Kumbaga, mas nauuna to. Yun nasa may right side na banda. Okay? Yung mga negative naman, itong minus 1, minus 2, or negative 3, negative 4, and so on, sila naman yung nauhuli. Tama? So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, sa totoong buhay, di ba? Kung sa may kalahating part ng Earth is may araw, sa may kabilang part naman is madilim. Tama? Then, kung madilim naman sa may right side ng Earth, yung kabila naman ang may araw. Tama? So, kasi nga, nabubuhay tayo in different time zones, no? Dito, sa ating Earth. Okay? May nauuna ng bahagya, may nauhuli. Okay? So, next, let's have the time zone abbreviations, no? So, ito yung mga ginagamit nating short forms, no? For specific time zones, no? So, sa Philippines, ang ginagamit nating symbol is PHT. Ibig sabihin, Philippine time. So, ang UTC natin is +8. So, kung babalikan natin yung mapa, ito yung Pilipinas. So, ang UTC natin nakalagay dito +8. Tama? Okay, so nauuna tayo ng 8 hours dun sa may bandang gitna, okay, ng ating world map. Next, ang Japan naman is UTC +9. Okay, tsaka Korea, yung KST, UTC +9. Ibig sabihin, yung Japan and Korea, nauuna naman sa Pilipinas, no, ng 1 hour. Okay, based dito sa ating UTC. Okay, so yung Eastern Standard Time naman, ito yung usually ginagamit sa sa US. So ang UTC nila is -5. Okay, kaya kung mapapansin nyo guys, parang lamang tayo ng almost 12 to 13 hours, no, dito sa Philippine time kaysa dun sa mga kamag-anak natin sa USA. Tama? Then yung PST, ito yung isa sa mga common, yung Pacific Standard Time naman, UTC -8. Sa Gulf country naman, yung GST, okay, UTC +4. Sa Central Europe or Central European Time, UTC +1. Ang symbol natin doon, CET. Okay? IST naman for Indian Standard Time, which is UTC +5 hours and 30 minutes. No? So dito may minutes tayo sa Indian Standard Time. Okay? So now, paano ba ginagamit itong UTC na to para makapag-convert tayo ng time zone, no, from one to another? Okay? So let's have our first example. So sabi dito, example 1, Ariel lives in Albay, Philippines, and he has a virtual job interview scheduled with a company based in New York City, USA. The interview is scheduled for 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So ito yung time sa USA, guys, no? 10 a.m. On December 10, 2025. So ang tanong, what time and date should Ariel log in for the interview in Philippine time or PHT? Okay, so ano ba yung given natin dito? So ang given natin dito is yung ating Eastern time. So sabi diyan, ang Eastern time natin is 10 a.m. Tama? So alam naman natin, ang Eastern time ay merong time zone na UTC -4 or UTC -4. Okay, so importante yan. Pinakita ko to kanina. Tama? Yung ET or Eastern Time. So, ang kanyang UTC is -4. So, ngayon, i-convert natin yung ating Eastern Time to PHT. Okay, so kung natandaan nyo, ano yung UTC ng PHT? So, ang Philippine time natin ay merong UTC na +8 or +8. Okay, so ngayon, try nating mag-convert ng Eastern Time to Philippine Time. So, anong unang gagawin nyo? Una nyong gagawin is get the time difference. Okay? So, 8 minus, so pag sinabing difference, minus yan guys, no? Always yan. 8 minus -4. Ito yung UTC guys ng PHT minus yung UTC ng Eastern Time. Okay? So, subtract natin yan. Since may dalawang negative, magiging positive yan. So, 8 plus 4 equals plus 12 hours. Okay? So laging tatandaan guys, kung saan natin i-convert na UTC, siya yung mauuna dito sa ating formula. Okay? Dahil i-convert natin yung Eastern Time to Philippine Time, so plus 8 or positive 8 yung nauna. Okay? So, meron tayong time difference na 12 hours. So, ngayon, convert natin. Convert natin yung 10 a.m. ng Eastern Time. So, mag-a-add tayo ng 12 hours. So, 10 plus 12. So, that is, so bilangin nyo na lang. That is 10 p.m. Tama? So, di ba 10 plus 12, that's 22. So, alam naman natin, ang 22, that is 10 p.m. ng gabi. Okay, so kung 10 a.m. tayo sa New York City plus 12 hours, so 10 p.m. tayo sa Philippines. Okay, so ngayon sagutin natin. Ano ba yung tanong? What time and date should Ariel log in for the interview in Philippine time? Okay, so ang final answer natin, Ariel should log in at 10 p.m. in Philippine time on December 10. So same date tayo, no? Yun nga lang gabi. Tama? Umaga sa US, then gabi naman sa Pilipinas. Nakuha ba guys yung ating first example? Now, let's proceed to our next example. Number 2. Leia is from Makati City, Philippines. She wants to call her mother who works in Dubai, United Arab Emirates or ang ginagamit doon yung GST, no? Yung Gulf Standard Time. Tama? So, she is free to call at 7 p.m. in Philippine time after doing her homework. So, what time will it be in Dubai when she makes the call? So, dito guys, tatawag daw si Leia ng 7 p.m. ng gabi sa Pilipinas, no? So, ang tanong, anong oras daw sa Dubai ng ganyang oras? Okay, so try natin. First, kunin nyo guys yung ating UTC. So, dahil ang PHP or PHT yung i-convert natin, so siya yung una, no? So, PHT is UTC plus 8. Di ba? So, ang UTC ng Philippine Time is UTC plus 8. Ngayon, ilan naman yung UTC ng GST, ng Gulf Standard Time? So, pinakita ko yan kanina. Ang GST natin is UTC plus 4 for Dubai, no? Sa Dubai time. Ngayon, compute natin yung time difference. So, sabi ko kanina guys, kung saan natin i-convert, siya yung mauuna. No? So, dito plus 4. So, 4 minus kung ano yung PH natin. So, plus 8 or positive 8. No? So, ang time difference is 4 minus 8, that is negative 4 hours. Nakuha nyo? Ngayon, pag nakuha nyo na yung time difference, pwede na tayong mag-convert ng PHT to GST. So, anong oras daw sa Pilipinas? 7 p.m. So, to get yung time sa Dubai, ang gagawin nyo lang, minus 4. Tama? Minus 4 hours. So, 7 minus 4 hours. So, that is 3 p.m. GST. So, sa Dubai daw is alas 3 ng hapon. Okay, so ang final answer natin, when Leia calls at 7 p.m. in the Philippines, it will be 3 p.m. in Dubai. Okay, so naintindihan ba guys yung ating example number 2? So next, number 3. Criselda, an OFW nurse in Seoul, South Korea. So sa South Korea, ang ginagamit natin is KST, no? Yung Korean Standard Time. So she wants to call her children in Bangkok, Thailand, no? So sa Bangkok ang ginagamit natin is Indochina time or ICT. So Criselda will call at 8 p.m. KST sa Korean Standard Time after her shift in the hospital where she works, no? So ang tanong, what time will it be in Thailand by then? Okay, so again, kunin muna natin yung UTC ng South Korea. Okay, so ang KST is UTC plus 9. Okay? Ang Thailand naman, meron siyang UTC plus 7. Nakuha? So again, sa Thailand, ang ginagamit natin, Indochina time, no? ICT. Okay? So kaya dapat ma-memorize natin yung ating UTC. Okay? So now compute for the time difference. So for the time difference, since i-convert natin into ICT or sa Thailand, si 7 ang mauuna. Okay? So 7 minus 9 yung UTC ng KST ng Korea. So 7 minus 9, that is negative 2 hours. Okay? So ibig sabihin, nauuna ng 2 oras si South Korea, no? So ngayon convert natin. Kung 8 p.m. sa Korea, minus 2 lang tayo. So 8 p.m. minus 2 hours, that is 6 p.m. dito ngayon sa Thailand, no? Yung ICT or the Indochina time. Okay, so ngayon sagutin natin yung tanong, what time will it be in Thailand by then? The time in Thailand by then is 6 p.m. Indochina time. Okay? Nasundan ba? And that's it for our lesson today. I hope you were able to understand our topic. No? So if you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to drop a comment below. So thank you so much guys for watching. This is Prof. D. See you in the flip side. Bye!